Good day, students. In this video lesson, you will learn how to divide numbers expressed in fraction form. So let us try dividing these two fractions here. We have 4/5 divided by 3/2. To divide this, we have to copy the first fraction. And then, eto, na division symbol dito, papalitan natin siya ng multiplication symbol. Magiging times na siya dyan. And then, etong second of fraction na 3/2, we are going to get its reciprocal. Kapag sinabing reciprocal, kabaliktaran ng 3/2. Pagpapalitin natin ang pwesto, si 3 and si 2. So, magiging 2/3 na siya. Magiging ganyan na siya. Okay? Pag sinabing reciprocal, pagpapalitin lang ng pwesto si numerator and si denominator. So, as you can see here, nagkapalit na sila. So, ganyan na. So, 4/5 times 2/3 na. So, dyan, napalitan na yung operation. Naging multiplication na siya. So, i-multiply na natin to. Sa pag-multiply, diba, we have numerator times the numerator, denominator times the denominator. So, 4 times 2, the answer is 8. And then, next one, 5 times 3, the answer is 15. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Aside from this, merong other ways sa pag-divide ng numbers expressed in fraction form. Kaya na lang pumili kung alin ang mas convenient sa inyo. So, ito, same na fractions ang i-divide natin. We have 4/5 divided by 3/2. Ang gagawin natin ay magko-cross multiply tayo. Yan. I-cross multiply natin yan. Pag sinabing cross multiply, ito, tsaka yung ito, 4 kina 2, tapos 5 and 3. Cross multiply. Ibig sabihin, magmumultiply tayo. 4 times 2, the answer is 8. 5 times 3, the answer is 15. So, yan na din yung final answer. Diba? Same lang yung answer kahit anong process ang gawin or gamitin natin. So, it's up to you kung alin yung mas gusto nyo. Basta, that's how we divide numbers expressed in fraction form.